Now we will discuss about the socialist economy. So socialist economy is an economy where production that in countries resources are owned, मतलब मालिक, ठीक है, owned, controlled and operate, ठीक है. Socialist economy is an economy where productions, that means resources, are owned, controlled and operated by the government. Okay, it is a type of economy where productions are owned, controlled and operated by the government. That means in this type of economy, in this type of country, governments produce goods, government control production, government operate the productions. Okay, so in this type of economy, first features is, as government producing the goods, so government produce the goods on the basis of the needs of the people, because government has no profit motive, so government will produce those goods which are needed for the people, जो ज़रूरत है, ठीक है, उसको गवर्नमेंट, जो आदमी को जो गुड्स का ज़रूरत है, गवर्नमेंट उस गुड्स को बनाएगा, ठीक है. Government decides to produce those goods with the needs of the society, needs of the people. Second features क्या है? Second feature, government decide how the goods are to be produced. So how the goods are to be produced, how the goods are to be produced, how the goods are to be produced, that is decided by the government. That means labor intensive technique अप्लाई करेंगे या कैपिटल इंटेंसिव टेक्निक अप्लाई करेंगे, दैट इज डिसाइडेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट, ठीक है. लेबर इंटेंसिव टेक्निक और कैपिटल इंटेंसिव टेक्निक, which technique should be used for the production purpose, that is decided by the government. कौन सा टेक्निक अप्लाई करेंगे. थर्ड है distribution under socialism is supposed to be on the basis of on what people need, not on what they can afford to purchase. तो productions जो भी होगा in socialistic system, productions जो भी हो रहा है देश में, that the production is on the basis of people's need. Production will be always on the people's need, what people's want, okay, on which government will produce, not on what they can afford to purchase, whether they can afford to purchase or not, or they cannot afford to purchase, that is not the question here. okay, यहाँ पे इस टाइप ऑफ सोशलिस्टिक इकोनॉमी में पीपल्स का नीड क्या है उसके ऊपर बेस करके प्रोडक्शंस गवर्नमेंट करेंगे, ठीक है. वो अफोर्ड कर पा रहा है कि नहीं, दैट इज नॉट द क्वेश्चन. वेदर दे कैन अफोर्ड it or not, that is not the part of the government. The question is, what is the need of the peoples. okay, so this is the third features कि productions जो भी हो रहा है, whatever productions government will produce, that is on the basis of the needs, not on the people's, whether peoples can afford or not, it doesn't matter to the government. okay, because when government producing the goods, government will not thinking about the profit, government will always produce goods for the well-being or for the welfare of the peoples. okay, thank you.